welcome. Miriam, I recognize this is Minister Kuya. Nice to meet you.
Dua. Yeah. How are you?
Kapakatalano may kita na 5,000 kurang. Memilitin do binat sa malam-malamu. Dia goma gi bi baro tagno nakalo. Nalinda do lagi na bingaw na sa tao tinda mata. Pali bunan to kana baka bina.
This would not have happened. And Lauren. Well, Lauren joined us after, but without John and Lauren now, particularly John in the building, Lauren in the sales and organising and talking to ministers and all the rest of the stuff, right? You are a gem, because my wife has not got time to do that. You are a gem. You're a gem. John, thank you. Okay, that's mine done. Thank you, Minister. You're a good man. Remember what I said. We need those boys in. Okay?
Ladies and gentlemen, Ivan Val, the entire Matangali from Tanuya, and everybody else that's here. It's a pleasure to be here today. And I did come here a little while ago, a couple of years ago, just to inspect the resort. I'll tell you what, only just stepping off the boat, it's an absolutely gorgeous place. And I penciled this in on my diary, I think, about 6 months ago, Lauren.
Yes.
And I refused to take up any other invitations for this particular day, except for the one that was done this morning. Glad to be here. And on behalf of the Fijian government, we thank you, sir, both of you, for having the faith in the government and having the faith in Fiji and investing close to about $10 million already. What's one of the most important things for us as government and for me to see before I came here was that, you know, government has actually just started a green growth policy, and I was so pleased to hear that the island is now going to be run fully on solar. So congratulations, and I'm really happy that you've done that. We also had a quick chat with you regarding the reef, etc. We're very conscious about what we do, and I'm very happy to hear that both of you are so conscious about the surroundings that you're in. But thank you very much, and on behalf of the government, thank you for having the faith in us.
And of course, that next thing you got to remember is the sewage.
Here we go.
It doesn't go into the sea.
Absolutely.
It's all treated here.
Absolutely.
That's another thing to remember.
So, without saying too much, ladies and gentlemen, I hope I can officially declare Nanuya Island with all its new additions today open.
Boathouse.
And the boathouse and all the other additions about to come. And anytime you need me, I'm available. Lauren knows how to find me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.